there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this super easy and cute toiletries kit to store all of your travel essentials. I made this for my husband since he works out of town, and if you know my husband Eric, you know he loves fish. I've reused a tote bag to make this kit, but you can make it out of any fabric you have really. I thought this would work well since it's a waterproof type fabric, so if any fluids burst open, it would be fairly easy to clean up. There was a really bad stain on the bottom of this bag that I couldn't get out, so it's nice to be able to reuse a portion of it for this project. I cut this bag in half above the stain, then I seam ripped the straps and the zipper out of it. The measurements I used are about 8 inches by 14 inches. I then measured 2 inches by 2 inches on each corner and cut this. Repeat this for the lining fabric. Pin and sew the bottom of the lining piece and the outer piece closed with a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. I should also mention that you should press the top seams of both fabrics inwards. Mine was already like this since I am reusing a tote bag. Press the seam open. Pin the bottom 2 squares of each piece together by folding it in half at the corners and sew shut. I added a cute little mushroom tag to the bottom of mine. I cut a piece from the original strap that was about 12 inches long and pinned this to one side of the top. I pinned the other side shut as well and sewed. For the lining piece, I ironed the corner seams wrong sides together to make it easier to sew these seams later. Put the lining inside the bag wrong sides together. Pinning the zipper in place can be tricky. Take your time on this step so that you don't end up having to redo it. Make sure you're pinning the zipper in between the outer piece and the lining and tuck the excess into the holes on either side of the lining. If you have a zipper foot for your machine, I would recommend using it here. It prevents the needle from hitting the zipper while you're sewing and also makes the stitching nice and even. Turn out the project through one of the holes in the lining that we had left. Pin and sew one side of the lining shut. Now turn the project back out the right way and we're going to edge stitch the other side of the lining shut. This is why we ironed the seams inwards earlier. This can be really tricky to get around the zipper, so take your time and hand sew if you need to here. And the kit is done. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments below if you end up making your own toiletries kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more DIY videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Bye for now!